I have a short assembly video today for something that I've never done before. Believe it or not, I've never put one of these together until today. Today we're going to build a lamp. What could possibly go wrong? I mean, this is a 5-foot floor lamp that's in a 2-foot box. So obviously some assembly is going to be required. Let's get started. Please open from this side. I guess I should take the contents out of the box first. I will admit it is relatively well packed. Almost excessively packed. All that styrofoam that's going to end up at the landfill. Well, this is the glass. We'll just put that aside so it doesn't get damaged. Something like this actually shouldn't require any instructions, although I'm sure there is a manual in here somewhere. Oh yes, there is a manual. I think it should be pretty self-explanatory that you just kind of screw the pieces together. And of course, remove the plastic while doing so. As I work on this, I have to pull the excess cord back down to the base. Top section, pull the excess cord out from the bottom to put the top section on. And then the top section just screws on. Maybe easier to spin the base to screw it on. But it just goes on like that. And then there's the counterweight that screws on the back. Last but not least, the glass lampshade, and of course the bulb. only one type of bulb you would ever want to put in one of these lights. Watch me break it before I even get it in the house. Hey, the switch is already on. There's a vintage style floor lamp. Looks kind of cool. That's going into my media room. And there it is. These Edison style incandescent bulbs aren't the brightest, so I might want to put an LED in there if I want more light for reading and stuff, but for just the atmosphere, it really looks nice. And it also didn't take long before the cat found it and is exploring it. Anyway, that's the assembly of one of these little floor lamps. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one real soon. Bye for now.